Yo, what's up guys? Summer is back and we are back to digging the hand-cut flow trail in the forest.
Okay, so we're back up here. So what we're gonna try to do is take the trail back up the mountain as much as possible without making it like a pretty sucky climb, just to add elevation and a longer descent to this trail.
As always, I started by scouting the section we had to build that day. The aim is for this trail to end up in between a machine-built trail and natural hand-cut single track. I want to find a middle ground that is hopefully really flowy. The only problem is it means a lot of extra digging.
Let's try the other side, because man, the soil is hard. Woo! So I'm busy cutting a full bench, so every little bit of loose dirt gets thrown away. So it's just gonna last a really good amount of time. It's a good amount of work too. Man, that is so dope. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, this looks really awkward. No, but it's okay, it's my own fault because I really should have just gone up here. But it's too late. I think it's fine, it's good. Okay, so you drop it over there, up here, and now you gotta be able to climb up to the top just over there. Make the way! This tree is in the way. I'm gonna break. Nice. We did it!
I'm trying to extend the trail by throwing in some climbing to regain some elevation. I found what I thought was a good enough route and continued digging. The two things I learned on this dig day was one, that rakes are way more useful than I realized. The second thing I learned was that when you're bench cutting, to go about 5 inches behind the line that you want to take, and this makes up for the back slope.
If you want the line of your bench cut to be over here, then cut over here. That's just compensating for the back slope, so the actual rideable surface is over here, and then the back slope ends over here.
Next, we move to the open section.
Bazooka! Bit by bit, we're adding more length to this trail. It's difficult. I'm trying to find this balance between hand cut and machine built. Flowy, but still natural. But definitely learning a lot. There's a ton of learning experiences happening. It's gonna be a good trail. Anyway, started learning how to juggle. So first things first, you don't juggle like that. So I'm practicing with 2 balls because you don't juggle like that. You gotta actually throw both of them up in the air. Still suck at it.
As fun and fast as that went, now we gotta dig through all these bushes. Luckily, we have the bazooka.
Bazooka!
We are back and it's another beautiful summer day. I'm feeling fresh today and I hope Sachaba is ready to dig because I don't want to stop.
It is so hot. It's just been cold, and then BAM! 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 Listen to the echo. Woo! Woo!
For the first time in so long, digging in the forest was a blessing. I've been complaining so much about all these roots, so I was stoked to have a section that only required raking.
So, we've gone pretty far. It's looking good. I like this. The problem is, coming up over here, we got another climb. Hopefully the last one. And it's gonna go up over here. As you can hopefully tell, it's pretty steep, it's pretty nasty. So, what I'm gonna have to do is come over here with the bazooka. And bench this out a bit. I have to bench this out so you can push into this and lean into it with your weight. Get momentum to go up and over this. Bench that out so you can push in again and pump up and over that. And then the idea is that should hopefully make the climb easier. Big root. Big root. Bazooka!
I really hope this section works out like I think it will.
I punched myself in the ribs.
So Chavo went ahead clearing the climb for the start of the descent.
Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, anyway, so you're gonna come up here. You got this berm. I know I said I was gonna bench it. I built a berm. Berm, you push into this, up and over this. Benched. Whoa, you push up and over that. Woo! As you can see there, the trail is. It's coming up over here. Now it dips through this, and this is where the descent really starts. Right behind that camera is gonna be two really sweet berms. This section is nearly perfect. I just want to bench it out a bit more. And then obviously we got to saw those branches off so you don't smack your head into them. Up here, whoa, berm, berm.
It's insane how much digging it takes for 3 small berms, but I think it's gonna be worth it as it really looks so fun.
So, we're done with that section. And the best part is, it only took us 2 hours to build. Summer is back.
All that was great, but now it's time to test it, and I've got Jamie with me. Jamie's not afraid to tell you if your trail sucks.
So even when the trail eventually pops out of the forest, it's still gonna go on the side of this mountain. Keep on going.
I'm gonna say it again. Summer is back and I'm losing my mind with excitement. Or maybe I'm just tired.
If you don't get it right, you're gonna go over the bars.
What the heck was I thinking? So we already agreed I messed up big time on this section. In the words of Jamie, this section looks more like a steep descent than a climb.
Okay, so we aren't off to the best start, and I don't need Jamie to tell me that this sucks. It feels like I was blindfolded while building, and now that I see it, I realize how steep it really is.
Ow! Was that? Wow. He's so mean!
No worry though, we can always fix it later. Hopefully the next section is better.
No! Dang it!
Do I really suck this much at building? Okay, never mind, just move on to the next section.
Wow. Because I'm about to tell you something, Jamie. If this doesn't work, I'm really not gonna be happy.
Burnout.
What have I done? This trail absolutely sucks. At least the rake only section was cool.
Look at him go. In his natural habitat. Look at this!
No, this might work.
What's going on? You call this a climb?
Despite everything that just happened, I still believe this section is rideable. I just don't trust my legs in the climb that follows.
Yeah, I
No!
What did I tell you?
Why did you
Yes!
stop?
Because it's really steep. I'll try it again. I told you that's gonna work. This is not gonna work.
Great job, Yun. You've finally proven me wrong.
You might have noticed these two local kids following us around and keeping us entertained.
Think that's gonna work?
Only one way to find out.
Dun, 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 dun. What? Wait.
What the heck?
Wait,
Stay
wait.
on cue, lad.
What are we doing?
I was gonna go dun dun dun.
That's what I was doing the first time, and then
And
you were
the-
doing something else.
Into switch it, and then you
Okay.
switched.
Dun, dun, dun.
It's obvious by now that we don't have enough speed to enjoy the berms, so we cut in a temporary drop in to try it out.
Okay. You want to see my strategy for breaking this?
A wet sapling. No, they don't break that easily, mate.
It just pulled on my shoulder really hard. I just thought I'm gonna jump and it's gonna come down and it's gonna be great.
That's why we bring knives.
What the point was to use the berm?
As terrible as this trail turned out, I still think with the proper speed these berms could be amazing. Ultimately, I'm learning a lot about building climbs, as I've never actually built a climb in my life, and I've never climbed my bike in the forest, so I had zero experience of how much grip you have or what counts as steep when it comes to climbing. And obviously we plan to come back and fix this all and make it rideable and amazing. It didn't matter that the trail sucked, because it turns out that I built the climbs so steep that they work better as descents.
Yeah, that's not a climb. That's really just more like you said, a steep descent.
By the time we arrived at the bottom, I had forgotten all about the terrible trail I spent 2 days building, At the end of the day, it's supposed to be fun anyway. Thank you all for watching. I hope this taught you something so that your trail can come out better than mine. And I will see you all next week.